Did you guys see this? Did you see this? Okay, so Dollar Tree has the Nutella. I don't know if this is a holiday edition. I don't think so, though. All right, hazelnut spread. No, this is just regular. Look at Dollar Tree. Chill. Now, they have two different ones. They have that one, and then why both of them say, oh, this one is with cocoa. Both of them is with cocoa. Why they got the different tops, though? Honey, it baffles me. Okay, so this is new at Dollar Tree. They have the holiday edition of the Dove soap. Honey, they just... I just don't know what to say at this point. Now, this is the Holiday Treats Limited Edition. They have the peppermint bark. You get 2 bars for $5. They have the cinnamon pumpkin pie. And then they also have the sugar cookie sprinkle. Chow, looky, cookie. And honey, I had seen these Bill drinks, okay? These are like cream sodas. I got the orange one and also the strawberry one. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, my name is Zena. I'm here to take it away. Now, today we are at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Now, I'm here for a few items. One, bleach. Okay. Now, personally, I really like Clorox. But since I'm here, I'm going to get some bleach from here and dumplings. And then also, they have some sauce, the Sriracha Ranch. Chill. I'm not even finished the first bottle. It tastes so good that I have to get it. So, let's see what they have for us today. So, Dollar Tree has the Moonlit Glow Brightening Under Eye Mask with 24 karat gold and vitamin C. This is $1.25. Now, normally around this time, Dollar Tree store bringing in the Beauty Intuition, a hydrating and nourishing lip gloss. This is $1.25, light pink. And then they also have mauve, okay? And that is $1.25 as well. All right, so Dollar Tree has these gorgeous nails. I'm gonna get one of these, a pack of these. Now, they also have these wraps over here. These are $1.25. These are cute. 12 pieces, really, really nice. Now, this is the La Mercerie. I do not know how to pronounce this name, okay? Hyaluronic acid lash and brow serum. Now, Dollar Tree is carrying this brand, and a lot of the stores, they already sold out. Now, in this Dollar Tree, it appears that they have one of these left. This is the lash and brow serum. Now, this is $4, but I heard it wasn't the best of the best. Let us know in the comment section if you guys have tried this, and if so, how was it? All right, I'm also going to get some Colgate toothpaste. This is the White Glow. Now, I don't understand the difference. This one is $1.25. I guess the size of the tube, I'm guessing. Normally, I stay away from fluoride. Yes, normally I do. In this case, honey, we're going to get this one, the White Glow Advantage Personal Whitening. Now, lately, I've been using, let me see if they have, this one. The Optic White, oh my goodness. Honey, I've been using this. I like it, all right? 90% of daily surface stains is $5. But one of the things that I noticed, if you go on Amazon, they have the one that's like this. You get 3 of these for $8. But recently I went back on Amazon and it was $12 for 3 of these, which is still a phenomenal deal because these normally are $5. You know, if you go to CVS, Walgreens, or anything like that, even Dollar Tree have them for $5. Just FYI. Now, you know I have a good eye when it comes to things. Like at the Dollar Tree, I can normally spot out something that will cost normally more than $1.25. And this right here is giving me more than $1.25. So this is the Modern White Refresh toothpaste. Okay, and it's gentle yet effective teeth cleaning toothpaste with a kick of freshness and bold flavors for an extra confidence boost. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and get this. This is $1.25. So I'm going to go get this, and I'm going to get this one. Did you guys see this? Did you see this? Okay, so this is the Wicked Wonder Lip Mask. Now, they come in different colors. They have 2 colors to be exact. They have the pink one, and then they also have this green one. Look how cool this is. I love this. Now, if you are looking for a brightener under eye mask, Dollar Tree definitely has it, and it would be this right here. Now, when it comes to these items, I absolutely love them. I mean, love them. Okay, at the Dollar Tree. Check this out. So, first up, Dollar Tree has the liquid blush, all right, by the one and only Marie Claire, all right? A round of applause for Marie Claire, because, honey, Marie Claire line, they be doing anything like a chicken wing. Now, this is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Joa Wind Me Up Concealer. Now, I never used this, all right? But this next item, honey, I absolutely swear by it. Now, I have it on now. This next item is a steal deal like Holyfield. And it would definitely be the LA Colors. If you guys are looking for a mascara that is going to lift your eyelashes, definitely this one. I love this from LA Colors. Now, Dollar Tree has some other mascaras that they wasn't so good, but this one is really, really good. And the mascara from Marie Claire, Chef Kiss. But I don't think they have the mascara from Marie Claire here. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Cosmic Milky Way Diamond Infused Cream Mask with diamond powder, hyaluronic acid, and squalene. Honey, correct me in the comments. For an out of this world glow and hydration, $1.25. Now, one of the things I'm going to say about this Dollar Tree, if you are looking for a variety of masks, they definitely has it. Okay, the Daily Care Sweet Mask, honey, this is $1.25 as well. So Dollar Tree also started bringing this blush bag, and this is actually a dupe. Now, when it comes to this color of the blush, I love it. I just wish that they had this like in a lip color, because when it comes to colors like this, I absolutely love this color for a lip. Now, if you have not tried these dumplings, honey, I thought the chicken was good, but no. It is the beef, okay? These are $3. I'm going to go ahead and get 2 packs of these. I had these a few days ago, and they were so good, better than the chicken. Now, a few new items that Dollar Tree has is the Kinder's, the barbecue sauce, hickory brown sugar. This is $1.25. They also have the sriracha ranch. Oh my goodness, this sauce is so good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get the sriracha ranch, and I was going to get the spicy bowl jalapenos, but that heat level, honey, ain't for me, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead. Oh wait, look at this. Now they also have the smoky apricot barbecue. Oh child. And then also the Carolina gold wing sauce and dip. This is $1.25. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the smoky apricot and barbecue sauce. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this new California Scents Orange Squeeze Air Freshener. This is $1.50. Alright, so I'm also going to get some bleach. $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the great scents. Put a little on it. Pre-poo toilet spray, tropical madness, and then twisted citrus. Now, the other day I was in Dollar Tree. They had this like in $1.25 spot. So I said it was $1.25, but this is $3.25. I think this is a steal deal like Holyfield. And if you guys are looking for the Christmas decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it, like the hand painted ball garland. Love those. Those are $7. They also have the candy cane steaks over here. Really, really cute, but I absolutely love these bowls over here. These are $7, and they come in different colors. So they have the red, the gold, and then they also have the green. Now, if you guys are looking for the tinsel decor candy canes, honey, these normally sell out so quick, and these are $6. I absolutely love these. All right, family, so I am so excited to try these. All right, let me know in the comment section if you guys tried them, and if so, how were they? All right, also, you know, Dollar Tree, they had some exciting find there, like the Dove soap, okay, the holiday, the winter edition, whatever you want to call it. They had that, and then they also had the Nutella. Dollar Tree, I don't know. And let me tell you something. So if you guys come across their Marie Claire, they items are really, really good. I mean, like, really good. And especially for $1.25. I mean, you cannot beat that. With that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out. Believing in yourselves. Until next time.